Hello?
Hey, it's Kat. I wanted to run a story idea for the school paper by you. I was thinking of doing a piece on the Carnival.
You can't. I mean, why would you want to write about the Carnival anyway?
I don't know. I keep hearing all these rumors about this weird stuff going on there. Like this skeleton guy inside the haunted house.
Hang on, I just got beat. Just hold on. Hello?
Hey, Mark. It's Samantha. I can't talk long, but I got some great news. I'm coming home tomorrow.
Cool.
Yeah, I know. I am so psyched to see you. So clear your schedule, okay? We got some serious catching up to do. Gotta go. Bye.
Kat! Hi. Sorry. We must have got cut off. As I was saying, the Carnival, I'm sure there's nothing weird going on.
Hole in one, your lordship. A perfect score for a perfectly evil evening.
Quiet! Big face need to concentrate.
Oh, what a pity.
Big face not like golf.
Oh, crikey, what a mess. Perhaps our treacherous lady would like to clean it up?
Oh. Guess again, Toad Boy. I'm finished cleaning up your messes.
But we're not finished with her, are we, my lord?
Indeed, my faithful Totem. She still hasn't paid for betraying us to Ace Lightning.
I already told you, he means nothing to me.
Did you really think I'd let your treachery go unpunished? I was just waiting for the moment to strike. Time for oblivion, Snookums.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
I've been plotting to extract my revenge from the moment you betrayed me for your love of lightning.
You'll have to wait a little longer. You should be hunting for lightning instead of fighting among yourselves.
Don't you understand? She betrayed me, and she'll betray you. Starhead, blast some sense into this overgrown octopus. Now, to finish what I started.
Now it's my turn.
Ow! It's not possible. Not even Ace Lightning could have withstood that attack.
Never underestimate my powers again. Or next time, you won't be so lucky.
No, I never underestimated you, Bitey, baby. I knew you were my main mean master the second I saw you. But Lord Fear's a little slow on the uptake. Oh!
If I ever find out that you've betrayed me for Ace Lightning, I will destroy you.
Help me, my sturdy staff.
Careful, I'll splinter.
A welcome home party for Samantha at your house? Hate to admit it, but that's a great idea.
I don't believe it. I think that was actually a compliment.
No, I'm still a major Mark hater, but I'm willing to put our differences aside for Sam's sake. Now, I'm thinking we start the party at your place, say 5-ish, then we head over to the Carnival.
Well, wait, who said you were running this?
I did. You got a problem with that?
Yeah, actually, I do. Why do you have to go to the Carnival?
Because it will be fun for Sam.
Why do you always have to get your way?
Why do you always have to be a jerk? Some things never change.
Sam! Hey.
Hey. It's so great to see you guys. Come on, you gonna show me around?
Yeah. What do you think?
I don't know, it's kind of weird. I feel like an outsider.
Well, hey guys, you must be Samantha. I've heard lots about you. It's nice to finally put a face to the name, huh?
Yeah, it is, but, who are you?
I'm Kat. Mark never mentioned me?
I'm sure I must have said something.
No, I don't think so. Heather told me about you.
Yeah, we know. Mark's a jerk. I've got big plans for your visit. First, there's a party at Mark's tomorrow. Then, we're gonna go.
Party at your house? Would have been nice to have been invited.
Wait, Kat, it's not what it looks like.
It's about time you agreed to this, Ace.
Yeah, whatever you say.
This game's been a long time coming.
Too long, if you ask me.
All right, AC, time to kick your butt.
Not a chance, Sparx. Bring it on.
Ready for my killer serve?
You have an explosive forehand.
Save it, lady. What do you want?
Protection from Lord Fear. He won't stop until he's destroyed me.
Huh?
I saved you from him once, Ace. Can't you do the same for me?
It's a trick, Ace. When our back's turned, she'll attack us.
Fool! If I'd wanted to attack you, I'd have done it when I had the chance.
Let her go, Sparx. I believe her.
Lord Fear will come after you, along with Kilobyte and the others.
We'll be ready. Just make sure you know which side you're on when he arrives.
Boss! The lady's gone! Oh!
We know.
Kilobyte got fooled again. Do-da, do-da. Lady Illusion betrayed him. Do-da-day. Do-da-da.
Silence. This little twist of fate is just what we need to spring the trap on Lightning. Once she sees who Lightning really wants, she'll have no choice but to come back to us. Besides, Lady Illusion can't betray me. It's not in her program.
Time to turn up the heat.
So I figured it all out. The reason why you didn't tell Samantha about me is that you still like her, and you didn't want to give her the wrong idea by telling her about your new friend, who just happens to be a girl.
Thanks.
Am I right?
Well, yes. Yes and no.
Well, it can't be both. Pick one. Wimp person.
Wimpy wimp person. What's that about?
I'm just frustrated. My story research on the Carnival is going nowhere.
Really? Maybe you shouldn't do a story about the Carnival at all. I mean, if I was you, I would forget about that place altogether.
And I'm frustrated with you.
Me? Why me?
Hey, Kat. What's up? Mark, I hear Sam's in town. You must be so psyched.
Kat, wait.
What's with her? Oh, and about the party. No can do Rip Awesome Work OT at the computer store.
Okay.
Hey, Mark, do you got a second? I need to talk to you about something.
Sam.
Chuck? Wow, you look great. Way mature.
Yeah, well, I shave now sometimes twice a month, and I have a job too. We should catch up and do lunch. Oh, you coming?
Yeah, I'll be right with you.
Show off. I don't like it, Ace. She told this sob story before, and it's never a happy ending.
Oh, bravo.
Yeah. Bravo.
Give her a chance, Sparx. I owe her one.
Okay, fine. But watch your back. Ace!
Hold on, Sparx.
Ace, let her go! We could finally be together.
Hey, hey, hey!
Who's scoping out for? Sam? Cat? It's Cat, right?
To tell you the truth, I don't know anymore.
You gotta make choices, man. It's like reading a book.
A book?
You gotta close the book on one before you can start up with another. Same with girls.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, I wish it was that simple.
Okay, everybody, let's take this party on the road to the carnival. Your parents were so sweet to let you throw this party, and it is so cool to see everybody. Where's Kat?
Actually, I'm not sure.
Mark, can we talk? Sam, let's go.
Blast him again, Piggy! Go the whole hog!
Ever heard of a tissue?
Wow, this place looks totally different.
Yeah, it does. Anyway, we've seen it now, so, let's get back to town for pizza, my treat.
Hey, there's Cat.
Yeah, we'll catch up with her later. She looks really busy.
No, she doesn't. Call her over.
Cat, over here.
Are you guys in a fight?
Yeah, sort of.
What a shame. Let's go, Sam.
The buzzards are still circling. It's a trap. They're waiting for Lady Illusion to make her move.
Do the math, Ace. The lady set us up. Now we're swimming in pig snot. If I ever see her again, she is dead meat.
I know it looks bad, Sparx, but I still believe her. She was afraid of Lord Fear. I saw it in her eyes.
You saw it in her eyes? Listen to yourself. You sound like a lovesick mortal. Uh-oh. No, don't tell me.
I'm not telling you anything.
Quiet down over there! Or Pigface take you off the menu for good!
I've got a plan to get out of here. We just need a diversion.
You'll get your diversion, Ace.
Step right up! Win your girl a prize! Step right up! How's about you, Slick? Like to see an amazing show? Something that'll sparks your imagination.
No thanks, I'm fine.
Trust me, I don't have an ace.
Up my sleeve? It's all happening behind the trailer if you want to save them.
Lady Illusion.
She can't help now, Slick. It's up to you. Step right up! Step right up! Win your title of time!
That's gross. Are you guys all right?
We'll be a lot better when you get us out of here. Mark, run!
I have only one question before I incinerate you. Have you seen the traitorous Lady Illusion?
Tell us the truth, mortal, and your end will be painless.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Then you have my permission to annihilate him.
Sparx, now!
Lightning flash, to me!
They're escaping!
ticket, lady. You don't have a choice. Coming back where you belong. See? I'm even stronger than love.
Cat? Can I talk to you?
No, actually, I was just about to go play some mini golf.
Cat, do you mind if I join you then? Please?
My treat.
Pig face smell a little lightning night.
Another time, I was trapped in a treehouse, and Mark saved me.
Look, if you don't mind, I'd rather not hear any more stories about you and Mark and all the cool stuff you guys did together.
Sorry, I just think Mark would make a great boyfriend.
And I'm sure he will. Hope you two are very happy together.
Me and Mark? No. No, I mean you and Mark.
Why are you talking about me and Mark? I thought you were the one who liked him.
Yeah, I liked him, but we're just friends now.
Really? That's interesting.
Look, I don't know what's up with you guys, but do you want some advice from someone you barely know?
Sure.
If you like Mark, tell him, because something always seems to distract that boy. And before you know it, you'll miss your chance.
You know, I can see why Mark likes you.
Same.
Night, night, Sparxy.
So long, freaks.
I hope you're not talking about us.
Kat. Sam, how come you girls are together?
Just a little girl talk. Yeah. Speaking of talk, I know you two have some things to discuss, so I'll leave you alone.
So, Sam, there's something I need to tell you.
You know, since we met, you said that to me about 100 times.
Yeah, I know. That's why I need to tell you. I need to tell you that I really like Kat, and I'm sorry if I've been sending you the wrong signals, and I still want to be friends.
She likes you too, you know.
Really? That's great. How do you know? Wait, how come you're so cool about this?
Because we're friends and I want to see you happy. And because I met someone too. His name's Jeremy.
How long have you been going out?
Just a while. He goes to my school. I wanted to tell you about him, but I couldn't do it over the phone.
So, I guess our book is closed.
Our book?
Yeah, it's a long story.
So, since you told me you like Kat, isn't there someone else you should tell?
Chuck? No, he's working late at Rick's computer. Oh, right, yeah. You know, you're the best, Sam. Oh, and by the way, you tell this Jeremy guy that he's a really lucky fella.
I warned you about her treachery. She betrayed you just like she betrayed me.
Let me blast her, my lord.
Wait. You've either returned to join us or signed your death warrant. Which is it?
Join you, of course. That foolish Ace accepted me. I was simply waiting for the chance to attack them and prove my loyalty.
And what do you have to show for this feeble plan of yours?
I have this.
The amulet.
Oh. Googler's back and good to go. Let's Googlerize lightning!
Our power is now complete. Thanks to Lady Illusion, Ace Lightning's fate is sealed. And your loyalty will be rewarded.
I had no choice. This is where I belong.
Mark? What are you doing back there?
I was looking for something, but it's gone.
Was it important?
Yes. Yes, very. But so's this. So let's settle it so we can both get on with our lives. Kat, I like you.
I like you too.
So, we should be going out together.
Agreed.
Wait, it can't be that simple, can it?
Sure can. If two people really like each other.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.